You think one tiny health tweak can't backfire, but what if a teaspoon of chia seeds could bring your morning to a standstill, turning a simple breakfast into hours of painful bloating, risky dehydration, or even an emergency room visit? If you're over 60, the way you use chia seeds may quietly be sabotaging your gut, draining your energy, and putting you at greater risk for hidden dangers than you ever imagined. If you've started adding chia seeds to your oatmeal or smoothies, you're not alone. They've popped up in recipes across the internet, praised for their fiber, omega-3s, and magic health powers. Millions trust these tiny seeds as part of their daily routine. But here's the big problem. With age, your digestion, hydration, and metabolism change sometimes dramatically, and what's healthy for one person can be a trap for another. Seniors often find themselves surprised by unpredictable stomach cramps, days of constipation, sudden fatigue, or even more serious scares, all starting from this harmless superfood. Think back, how many mornings have you felt sluggish or bloated, even when eating right? Do you struggle to keep steady energy from morning to night? Has a new healthy habit ever left your stomach in knots? According to research published by the Mayo Clinic, up to a third of adults over 60 experience troubled digestion. The Journal of Nutrition and Aging reports, even small dietary habits can trigger big, unexpected reactions in seniors. As someone who works with hundreds of men and women looking to reclaim their vitality, I see the same pattern over and over. Healthy foods causing pain, confusion, or worse, just because a few simple details are overlooked. Let me share a mini story. A patient, Joan, age 67, wanted to lose a few pounds and boost her energy. She started sprinkling chia on her breakfast every day after seeing a YouTube recipe. Within a week, she was running to the bathroom every morning and felt so bloated that her jeans fit tighter than before. Another call with a client, Bill, 72, ended with him telling me he felt like he swallowed a rock just from one dry spoonful of chia seeds he thought would make his yogurt healthier. If you've ever wondered why your healthy habits don't make you feel healthier, you are not alone. So, why do so many seniors end up suffering when chia seeds are supposed to help? How can a superfood turn into a super headache? And most importantly, how can you unlock all the benefits without the daily discomfort? Stay with me, because what you learn today could change the way you feel this week, this year, and for years to come. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Let's get into the first common chia seed mistake I see, and why it matters so much if you're over 60. The first big mistake is thinking you need as much fiber as possible, as fast as possible. It's tempting. Nearly every nutrition headline tells you to get more fiber, and chia seeds seem like the perfect shortcut. Just 2 tablespoons can deliver a third of your daily needs. But if your gut isn't used to handling this much fiber, dumping in chia seeds all at once can unleash chaos. Research suggests that most seniors already deal with slower intestinal movement, reduced stomach acid, or irregular bowel function. So when you add a concentrated fiber bomb without slowly building up or hydrating enough, it can trigger a digestive storm instead of smoother, regular movements. People suddenly experience unpredictable trips to the bathroom, sometimes hours of constipation, followed by sudden urgency the next day, sharp cramps, and embarrassing bloating that only seems to get worse. In one study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging, seniors who increased their fiber intake with seeds abruptly, but without enough hydration, were over 40% more likely to report new stomach pain, constipation, and trouble absorbing minerals. I remember Helen, in her late 60s, who heard chia seeds were a miracle for energy and weight. She tossed 2 heaping spoonfuls into her smoothie every morning from day 1. Within the week, she was doubled over by cramps. Doctors found a mass of swollen chia seeds sitting in her intestines, caused purely by fiber overload combined with too little fluid. If you want to avoid this kind of misery, here's what I recommend as a health coach. Start with a small teaspoon of chia daily. Let your gut adjust for 1 or 2 weeks. Always pair every serving with a large glass of water, and spread fiber sources throughout the day. Rotate chia with other fibers, leafy greens, oats, nuts, so you never overwhelm your gut bacteria with one kind of fiber. Most importantly, listen to your body. If you notice unusual bloating or discomfort, pause and rebuild more gradually. Think of fiber like exercise. You wouldn't sprint a marathon on your first day of training. The gut needs time to adapt, especially after 60%. Used smartly, chia acts like a gentle broom for toxins and cholesterol. Tossed in too fast, it's more like a brick wall. Now, what about mistake number 2? This one's everywhere, and it can turn dangerous for anyone, but especially for seniors. The second mistake is eating dry chia seeds without soaking them first. Imagine tossing a handful of these little seeds into your mouth, or stirring them into yogurt, thinking the more the better. What you may not realize is chia is hydrophilic. It soaks up water like a sponge, swelling to over 10 times its original size. If you eat them dry, all that swelling happens inside your body, pulling water right out of your tissues and digestive tract. Some researchers observed cases where chia seeds, eaten dry and chased by water, swelled in the throat or esophagus, causing dangerous blockages. In one dramatic case reported in the US, a man landed in the hospital when the seeds blocked his airway, and medical staff had to intervene to clear it. Even if you avoid choking, dried seeds can clump together in your stomach and intestines, leaving you bloated, dehydrated, and struggling with constipation. Seniors, who are more prone to slow digestion and lower hydration levels, are most at risk. Eating chia seeds dry also means missing out on many of their actual benefits. Without soaking, you never get the full gel formation that stabilizes blood sugar and supports gut health, and the slippery texture that makes them easy to digest. What you're left with is a clumpy, sticky mass that can stall instead of help. It's simple to stay safe. Always soak chia seeds before eating. Use the 1-10 method. 1 teaspoon of chia, 10 teaspoons of water, and let them sit for at least 20 or 30 minutes. Though soaking overnight is even better. This creates a gentle gel that feels easy on your stomach, helps fiber do its job, and actually delivers the energy and nutrient benefits everyone's talking about. If you love smoothies or oats, soak the chia seeds separately first, then add them. The difference can be dramatic. Seniors who soak their chia report fuller mornings, steadier energy, and smoother digestion. It's not just a hack, it's basic safety, with big benefits. Let's hit a micro hook here. Have you ever wondered why your blood sugar jumps even after eating so-called healthy breakfast foods? The next mistake might explain it. Mistake number 3 is mixing chia seeds with acidic liquids before soaking. Maybe you've seen those influencers pouring dry chia straight into lemon water or apple cider vinegar on TikTok or Instagram. The drink looks energizing, but this simple trend can silently short-circuit the health boost you want. Here's why. Chia's power comes from forming a thick gel when properly hydrated, which slows digestion and smooths out blood sugar spikes. But acids like lemon juice, vinegar, or even straight orange juice disrupt this gel-forming process. When you add chia seeds directly to acidic liquids, you get half-dissolved, uneven clumps instead of smooth gel. That means your body misses out on longer-lasting energy, doesn't regulate glucose as well, and is left with stomach irritation, especially if your stomach lining is already sensitive. Just picture starting your morning with unsoaked chia in tart lemon water. Your gut is hit twice, once by acid and again by rough, expanding seeds. Some seniors, after weeks of this habit, develop heartburn or ongoing stomach pain, not realizing the culprit is this simple misstep. A mini story from my practice. A woman who followed a popular detox challenge started waking with sharp cramps and intense acid reflux. By simply soaking her chia in water before combining it with her morning drink, her stomach pains vanished and the true benefits of chia returned. The fix is easy. Hydrate chia with water first, always at least 20 minutes, or overnight. Then add acids or blend into other mixtures. If your stomach is tender, buffer acids with softer foods like almond milk or yogurt after the chia gel forms. This one adjustment preserves the slow-release energy and digestion support that makes chia so valuable without accidental discomfort. The next issue is a big one and often overlooked. Not all chia seeds are created equal, and the difference you don't see could be the reason you feel off. The fourth mistake is assuming all chia, regardless of price or sourcing, is safe and of equal quality. This is far from true. Chia seeds can absorb contaminants from the soil, accumulate unwanted pesticides, or even grow mold if stored in damp places. According to a food safety study out of California, nearly 1 out of 5 chia brands tested on shelves showed evidence of unwanted bacteria or problematic residue from traces of salmonella to hidden heavy metals. For seniors, this is especially dangerous. Compromised immune systems may react more severely to invisible toxins. Worse, chia seeds can go rancid, developing a fishy, sour, or musty odor that signals oxidation of their healthy fats. Eating oxidized chia not only tastes bad, but it may actually increase inflammation in the body, raising joint pain, fatigue, and cell stress. One of my clients, hoping to save money, started buying chia seeds in bulk from an unnamed brand. Within a month, she reported headaches and unexplained stomach upset. Lab results later showed her chia was contaminated with mold toxins. Switching to a certified, tested brand resolved her symptoms, and she was finally able to use chia products with comfort and confidence. If you're over 60 and want to shield yourself, here's what works. Trust certified organic chia or brands with third-party testing. Avoid pre-ground powders, which spoil quickly. Fresh whole seeds keep longer. Store them in the fridge, inside a glass container, away from light and heat to prevent oxidation. If open chia seeds smell fishy or stale, toss them immediately. Safe chia barely smells at all. Quality always matters more than quantity. Let's switch gears for a second. Has anyone ever told you chia seeds are the best way to get all your omega-3s for brain and heart health? Mistake 5 is a crucial detail almost no one talks about. A huge misconception is that chia seeds are a guaranteed omega-3 superfood. Chia is very high in one type called ALA, or alpha-linolenic acid. But here's the shocker. Your body needs to convert ALA into 2 other critical forms, EPA and DHA, for real heart and brain benefits. The problem: research suggests most seniors convert less than 10% of ALA to usable EPA, and often less than 2 to 5% to DHA, especially after 60. That's a tiny fraction of what's really needed for memory, focus, and reducing inflammation. In one research project cited by the Journal of Nutrition and Aging, older adults who relied solely on chia or flax for their omega-3s still showed low blood levels of EPA and DHA. Even after months of daily use, some noticed their joints remained stiff, and their mental clarity didn't improve. What's the fix? Chia is still a fantastic seed, great for fiber, protein, and ALA omega-3s. Just don't treat it as your only omega-3 source. For best results, combine chia with 2 servings weekly of fatty fish like salmon or sardines. Or, for vegetarians and vegans, add algae-based EPA/DHA supplements for every 2 tablespoons of chia. Eat 1 serving of walnuts or hemp seeds, plus direct EPA or DHA. Watch for warning signs of deficiency, brain fog, slow recovery, or ongoing joint pain. If in doubt, talk to your doctor about checking your omega-3 index. Let's drive home the good news. Done right, chia seeds are one of nature's best daily tools for people over 60. When you avoid the big mistakes, here's what you can expect. Smoother, happier digestion, soaked and balanced. Chia delivers gentle, nourishing fiber, not harsh bulk. Research from the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found seniors who added 2 tablespoons of soaked chia daily built up a healthier, more diverse gut microbiome in just 6 weeks. Many reported less constipation, fewer stomach upsets, and improved daily comfort. Steady, reliable energy instead of frustrating crashes. With properly hydrated chia, the gel-forming fiber slows glucose spikes and dips, particularly helpful if you manage pre-diabetes or struggle with fatigue during the day. A diabetes care study reported improved long-term blood sugar markers in seniors who made this simple change. easier weight and appetite control, thanks to the way chia seeds expand with water. The healthy fullness that follows isn't a stimulant, it's your body's natural hunger. Switch working better, just a small soaked serving before meals can help prevent overeating and unnecessary extra calories. Real cardiovascular support. Chia's fibers, antioxidants, and minerals team up with your direct EPA sources to keep your arteries healthy and inflammation down. Seniors who eat chia alongside high-quality fish or algae oil often notice less morning stiffness and steadier blood pressure over time. Strong bones and muscles. Chia seeds are rich in calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and even B vitamins. These nutrients bolster bone density and energy metabolism, crucial for staying active well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Bonus: youthful skin, hair, and nails, thanks to chia's antioxidant power and the hydrating, plumping effects of their soak-up gel. A daily chia habit may not erase all wrinkles, but it can definitely boost that healthy glow. If you want the best from every serving, always soak chia seeds at least 20-30 minutes, preferably overnight. Start with a teaspoon per day, building up to 1 to 2 tablespoons over time. Mix chia with a source of healthy protein like Greek yogurt or eggs, and round out your meal with healthy fats like avocado or walnuts. And remember, never rely on chia alone for omega-3. Partner it with fish or algae oil. If any of this is new to you, don't worry, it's never too late to start. Just one small change can mean major improvements in how you move, feel, and age. Many of my clients, after 1 month of fixing these chia mistakes, share stories of lighter mornings, smoother digestion, and feeling years younger. So, seniors, you don't need to be afraid of chia seeds. They can be an incredible ally, but treat them with respect. The right preparation, the right quality, and the right combinations make all the difference. If you've struggled with bloating, unpredictable energy, or disappointing health results, now you know why and what to do next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on living a healthy and vibrant life after 50 bout. And check out the next video, all about reversing insulin resistance for even deeper blood sugar benefits. If you've ever felt tired or struggled with bloating after 50 bouts, this channel is for you. Your health is built on small, smart habits, and every day is a fresh chance to feel stronger, more energetic, and more in control than ever before. Stay ageless, and I'll see you in the next video.